Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share to you my care for my chickens. I try to make my chickens be raised organically. So one of those is making sure that they are clean and dry so that there will be no pests and I don't have to use any chemicals in caring for them in case they get sick. Early in the morning, I collect their eggs, and also I have to come back either lunch or late afternoon so that I collect another batch of eggs so that they will not set on the eggs or we will not have more chicks to hatch. This is why I have to come back later because some of the hens are still laying some eggs. Next, I gather some of the poop that are in the nesting boxes and put new pine shavings. And to make them relax and less fly or pest or even rat snakes or any types of snake in their nesting boxes, I put some of these herbs like lemongrass, citronella, rosemary, and I cut them into small pieces and put in their nesting boxes. Since I do this every week, I mix and match or I just put like one type of herb in their nesting box. And I have to ensure that all the traps for the fly and also their coop inside is clean and there's no possible predator that get inside. During summer, the vent inside the chicken coop is open and also the exhaust fan, which is solar powered, is on. Every now and then, like once or every 2 weeks, I put some diatomaceous earth, especially on their nesting bath, inside their chicken coop, their chicken run, and just everywhere because this is an organic way of getting rid of pests and also try to lessen the fly inside the chicken run. We all know that fly brings a lot of disease and our flock is prone to any types of illness and it spreads fast to chickens. I use pelletized bedding to ensure that the area where I put some pelletized bedding remains dry and also clean. I usually put this around the areas where they have their feed, around the pond, and on the places where they normally scratch. We also have this trellis built purposely to have a shade for our chickens. They also have a fan and just different types of sunshade to make them stay cool, and we have different types of trap just everywhere for the flies so that it will not get worse or will not bring any harm or disease to our animals. I also have to make sure that their poop is being raked once or twice a week so that it will not stick on their foot and cause to have a bumblefoot. I also have to ensure that they have water so that they stay hydrated, especially when the temperature is high. I purposely plant extra vegetables to feed to my chickens because this also give us eggs that we consume and eggs that we also sell to our friends. We also made a tunnel on their side of the chicken run so that they could clean and get some grubs and grasses, and we don't have to mow on that area. From time to time, they could also access on my vegetable garden so that they are the one cleaning the weeds on my garden. There. And I got some landscape pins so it won't fall over. Oh, they like the watermelon. There's the other one. On August 21, 2024, I got this kind of email. I tried to clarify on their website if they are sending emails for samples, and they said yes. And so I agreed to get the sample and make a review, and I am now even invited as an affiliate. So on September 3, I got the package of the sample. So we're going to open it right now and try it to our chickens and also to our ducks. So the grubterra black soldier fly larvae are perfect feed additive to our fly to keep them healthy and happy all year round. Grubterra's black soldier fly larvae are also environmentally friendly. It has high in protein and calcium, which produces stronger eggshells, Having this is just perfect because more or less we got 4 or 5 batches of chickens, which possibly some of them will start to molt during this month, which is September, and up to November. So this is also caused by sudden change of temperature or season change. Thus our chicken needed high protein and also calcium because we have lesser days or they have lesser sunlight. So it has been 3 days since I gave them the treat. So we will give you an update probably by next week about what happened or how it works on our chicken and more. These black soldier fly larvae are great for chickens, reptiles, fish, and birds. What I also like about this is they come in resealable pack, which make them stay fresh. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, and if you think this video is very helpful to y'all, please share it to your community. I appreciate it so much. Till next time, bye!